Understanding body language is essential when it comes to deciphering romantic interest signals. If you're wondering how to know if a woman likes you, this article will provide practical advice and unknown body language tricks that can reveal what words might not convey. From subtle gestures to facial expressions, these tips will help you interpret signals and discover if she feels a connection beyond the obvious. 1. Sustained eye contact. Extended eye contact is a classic indicator of romantic interest. If a woman keeps her gaze on you for longer periods and shows a warm expression, there is likely a deeper interest. 2. Frequent smiles. Genuine smiles are a universal language of interest. If you notice that she smiles every time she sees you, or even during casual conversations, she is likely enjoying your company, and there may be romantic attraction. 3. Body leaning. Leaning toward you during a conversation is a positive sign. When a woman leans her body forward while talking to you, it indicates interest and focused attention on you. 4. Casual touches. Subtle physical contact can be revealing. If she engages in casual touches, like touching her arm or shoulder during the conversation, it's a sign of comfort and possible attraction. 5. Hair play. Playing with hair is an instinctive gesture when someone is attracted. If you notice she strokes her hair or plays with it while talking, it could be an unconscious expression of romantic interest. 6. Positive imitation. When someone is interested, they tend to mimic postures and gestures of the person they like. Observe if she adopts similar postures to yours or imitates some of your movements, as this can indicate attraction. 7. Intentional proximity. Physical proximity is a key indicator. If she seeks to be close to you or adjusts her position to be nearer during a conversation, she may be seeking a more intimate connection. 8. Eye contact and swift gaze aversion. Eye contact followed by a quick gaze aversion is a flirtatious tactic. If you notice that she looks directly at you but swiftly averts her gaze, she may be nervous or conscious of her interest. 9. Positive signals in a group setting. If you're in a group and observe that she directs most of her positive signals towards you, such as laughter and gestures, you likely hold a special place in her attention. 10. Fixation on your lips. During the conversation, if you observe her gaze repeatedly falling on your lips, it could be an indication that she is thinking on a more intimate level. Conclusion. Deciphering body language can be the key to understanding if a woman likes you. Subtle gestures, eye contact, and physical proximity provide valuable clues. However, it's essential to remember that these signals are indicators, not guarantees. The interpretation of body language should be contextual and consider each person's unique personality. Stay attentive to these signals, but also trust your intuition and direct communication to build authentic connections. Hey friends, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel. Greetings!